Hi, I'm Jason Thornton, and welcome to my Weebly website. On this site, I've got a brief biography as well as our projects on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and our WebQuest project. My biography, I'm currently a student at the College of Western Idaho and also employed as a behavior interventionist at the Nampa School District. I'm interested in teaching elementary education or special education. This is our Word project. It was kind of fun just putting things together. Moving on to Excel, had a lot of fun playing with this. Kind of enjoyed it. Haven't worked with graphs much, so it was good practice. This is our first lesson PowerPoint project. It's about measuring. I had a lot of fun with it because I used moving elements to help explain the lesson. So in this one, the camera floated in and the students were able to count as it happened. In this one, the measuring tape actually moved out to give us a counting number. So that was kind of fun. This was the Classroom Technologies PowerPoint about the Common Core curriculum. I really liked Common Core because I felt it applied to the teaching environment. All right, so the WebQuest, I've got a button and a link to go to the site. And my project was combining ideas and concepts to create new art. So to make it interesting for the kids, what I wanted to do was have them pretend they were time travelers. And there were 3 periods in time that they went to when they were a toddler, a high school kid, and as an adult. And their time machine broke. So to get back to the regular time, they have to create a project with those 3 periods and then combine it into one piece for their time machine to send it back to the right time. So just to make it interesting and fun. The task were really to brainstorm what they would have done in each of these time periods as a toddler, as a high school, as an adult, how their drawing styles might have been different. As a toddler, they would have used crayons. As a high school student, pencil, and maybe as an adult, pens, just kind of an idea. And then once they had that brainstormed, they would brainstorm again and try to come up with ideas on how they could come together as a single art piece. And then they would put it together. And really the goal was to try to get them to critically think and come up with solutions. So the evaluation is really the brainstorming, 3 periods, and then the brainstorming, the putting together, I think are really important concepts in this one. And so when the lesson's done, explain making choices and critical decisions, how there isn't always the best choice. And then at the end of the class, asking them what was challenging for them, what hard choices they have in life that don't necessarily have a right or wrong answer. And also just give examples of where you can put different ideas together to make up a fun thing. So a good example is having music, glow sticks, and playing tag in the gym with the lights off. That's super fun. So the teacher page, this is based on the Idaho Fine Arts Standard. It's intended for 5th grade, combining ideas to generate an innovative idea for art making. And so here's a picture of me helping a student count by putting dinosaurs on myself and going, how many dinosaurs are stuck on me right now? All right, thanks for watching.